In 1824, Joseph Aspdin invented Portland cement, burning finely divided clay with finely ground chalk in a lime kiln until carbon dioxide was driven off. He called it Portland cement after the high-quality building stones quarried at Portland, England. Modern cement and concrete have been extensively used since the early 20th century. The material degradation is primarily manifested in the inability of concrete to protect the reinforcement from corrosion or fire. Decay is mainly due to carbonation or the loss of passive radium alkalinity in concrete that protects the steel bars against acids. The carbonation process occurs when the carbon dioxide in the environment reacts with the calcium hydroxide in the cement, producing calcium carbonate. The pH lowers to around 9, making the protective oxide layer of the reinforcing steel to break, and thereafter corrosion occurs. We will mention now some common pathologies found in concrete buildings. Problems such as over-reinforcement affect especially the joints and cracks, or loss of material appear. Inadequate quality and compactation of concrete and cement compromise the cover of the rebars. Declining strength of certain types of concrete, such as the high aluminium cement and concrete, are also a cause of decay. Alkali-silica reaction, a chemical process in which alkalis from the cement combine with certain types of silica. Early concrete required particular attention as it was reinforced with smooth bars, offering less grip to the concrete, and calculations were also not fully developed. Original design codes may have made insufficient provisions for certain loadings or phenomena such as accidental damage and increased imposed loads. There are also conditions that affect all modern construction systems with a lost service life. Apart from changes in loads, the soil conditions may have been affected by changes in the water table or subsidence. Contamination or significant alterations in load distribution cause differential shear failures, also disproportionate collapse in prefabricated buildings. We can see here some visual signs of deterioration, such as cracks, spots, rust stains, and spalling.